How does electrolytic marking affect metal surfaces? Keep watching and I'll show you how. Hi, my name's Tom and welcome to another episode of Ask Cougartron. In this episode, we'll discuss electrochemical marking and the way it affects metal surfaces. Electrolytic or electrochemical marking is essentially an imprinting process. The surface is in no way, shape or form damaged or distorted. The change in colour is about the only form of visible surface alteration. The resulting marks are shallow and only about 1/1000th of an inch deep. However, this does not make them any less permanent or durable. In fact, the only way to remove a properly executed mark is to grind it away using Scotch-Brite or a similar abrasive. The base material can still be scratched, but the marks definitely don't smear and will not come off easily. Since this process neither bends or distorts the material, it can be used on thin or thick metal parts. It is equally valuable to industrial professionals and craftsmen, as you can see from this blade marking example. Best of all, this process is so simple, anyone can do it. So that's it, thanks for watching. Keep your comments and questions coming, see you next time.